Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make your Discord username invisible. It's really simple. Let's jump right into it. So guys, the very first thing you're going to need to do is join the Discord server link in the description. Don't worry guys, the only reason for this Discord is just so you can copy a character that you can paste in your username, which will make it invisible. Okay, so let's open Discord. And this is going to be the server that you're going to load into. It says how to apps invisible name Discord, and it just has this one channel. And all we're concerned about is this character right here. That's the only purpose of the Discord. So we're going to press and hold on this character. And then once this menu pops up, we're going to hit copy text. And then that will copy that character to the clipboard. Now, all we have to do is go to any server that we want to change our name on. So I'll just go to this one right here and scroll to the right to see the list of users. Click on your name and then hit manage user. And then you're just going to erase your name and press and hold and paste the character. And it's going to show up like that. And then you just hit save in the bottom right. And there we go. We can see my nickname has been changed to invisible because it is a character that Discord cannot display. So therefore your name shows up as invisible. So that's all you have to do, guys. Now you can try changing your actual username, like your username across all servers on Discord, to this character. However, because so many people are actually using it, you may get the error message that too many users have this same username and it won't let you change it. That was the issue I was running into, and you probably won't be able to change your official Discord name just because so many people are using this method to make their name invisible, but you can change it on any server you are a part of using this method. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope that helped you out. Remember, Discord link is in the description of this video. It's super simple tutorial, guys. So just follow the steps and you will have an invisible username. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you have any questions or any tutorials that you'd like to suggest for us to do in the future, you can leave those in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, of course. It's much appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.